So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes, a very important session for all those who are preparing for IBP's PU exams. Students, you know, banking sector is a sector which is growing with an excellent rate और आज हमारे सामने है J-Star, right? मैं आपको सबसे पहले इंटरेक्ट करवाना चाहूंगा हमारे कलीग से. वी हैव प्रतिभा. रिसेंटली आपने हमारे स्टूडेंट से मिली, आप परम से, जो ऑलरेडी आपकी फ्रेंड है और वो भी आरआरबी पीयू क्लियर हुई. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ कैंडिडेट स्मॉल जो हमने आपके लिए स्पेशल बिठाया है. ये बच्चा हमारे पास RIMC के लिए आया है. आपको मैं बता दूं कि दून स्कूल का आपने नाम सुना होगा. ही हैज क्लियर्ड अ रिटन एग्जाम, तो सबसे बड़ी बात है. और अभी इसका इंटरव्यू है, तो डेफिनेटली ये बच्चा अगर बीच में बैठेगा तो इसका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा, इजंट इट? और हमने इनकी मदर को बिठाया. शी इज वेल एजुकेटेड इन साइंस एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, तो शी विल बी आस्किंग यू अबंडेंस ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. राइट प्रीत, आर यू रेडी?
यस सर.
ओके, सो आप बैंकिंग सेक्टर के अंदर आना चाहते हैं?
यस सर.
सबसे पहले तो यही पूछूंगा कि व्हाई डू यू चूज बैंकिंग ओनली एज योर करियर?
Sir, I see a lot of potential in this sector, and also,
You may have seen the prosperity in this sector.
yes.
And what are the type of hobbies you are having?
So my hobbies are I love watching inspirational stuff and talent hunt shows,
Okay.
and also like meeting new people.
So here you get an opportunity.
Yes,
you can
definitely,
correlate your
sir.
job with your hobbies also, right?
Yes, sir.
Other than that, see, in this job we are getting lot many opportunities for various aspects also. Like you are getting good monetary aspects.
Yes, sir.
So you can share up the monetary aspects also. And one major thing which bank gives is regularity in working.
Yes, sir.
If somewhere we are going regularly, we are doing regular work, it prevents us from rusting.
Yes, sir.
So you can indulge in all these things. Okay?
Okay.
चलिए हम आपके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. Give your introduction please.
So I'm Cheshta Chanchlani,
Okay.
and I belong to Shri Ganganagar, which is also known as the food basket of India,
क्यों कहा जाता है इसे फूड बास्केट ऑफ?
because of the wheat production here mainly.
Okay, means good production of
abundant production. Yes.
Very good. आपका सब्जेक्ट्स क्या है?
Sir, I have studied chemistry, physics and mathematics.
Okay,
in
chemistry,
BSc.
physics.
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे सबसे पहले ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स के बारे में बता दीजिए.
Organic compounds are mainly composed of carbon and hydrogen.
Okay. डिस्टिलेशन वर्ड सुना होगा आपने?
Yes, sir.
बताइए.
It is the process by which we can separate two miscible compounds.
Okay. Can you tell me what do you mean by the word CRR?
CRR is cash reserve ratio,
Okay.
and it is fixed by the Reserve Bank of India that there is some portion which the banks have to keep in RBI as per
Okay.
its norms.
Okay. What about MSF?
It is marginal standing facility.
वंडरफुल. तो मुझे आप बता सकते हैं कि जो बैंक रेट है वो रेपो रेट से डिफरेंट कैसे है?
Sir, the time period of repo rate is from 3 to 15 days, whereas for, in bank rate, the loan can be given for 90 days to 180 days.
वेरी गुड. शी इज हैविंग एक्सीलेंट नॉलेज मैम.
Yes.
चलिए, आई वांट प्रतिभा टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. यू कैन कैरी ऑन.
Yes. Since you are of science stream, I'll ask questions related to that. Tell me, what is Archimedes' principle?
Archimedes' principle states that whenever we immerse an object into a beaker or some container, the volume displaced is equal to the volume of the object immersed into it.
Okay. Can you define ionization energy?
Ionization energy is basically the amount of energy required to pull out the outermost electron from an atom.
Okay. Can you tell the trends like ionization energy increase or decrease when we go in a period and group?
If we talk about the periods, it usually increases along a period because the size of the atom decreases, so more energy is required to pull out electron from it. And if we compare it in the group, the size usually increases, so the nuclear pull decreases basically, so less amount of energy is required to pull out the electron.
Okay.
वेरी गुड. सो मैम, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू आस्क सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस एज यू आर आल्सो साइंस लिटरेट.
Okay. What is the formula of cylinder value?
Volume of cylinder is pi r square h.
Okay. And what is the organic and inorganic difference between
बोथ ऑफ दिस.
Okay, so organic chemistry or organic compounds are basically they usually talk about the carbon hydrogen related things, whereas inorganic chemistry, it talks about the trends in the periodic table, about the metals, their various classifications, etc.
ओके. एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन लॉ क्या होते हैं?
Energy conservation law tells us that the energy of the universe remains conserved. It can be transformed from one phase to another, but it cannot get wasted.
Okay. Can you tell me the definition of check as well as draft? बताइए.
Okay, so check is usually in paper mode, and draft is more safe as compared to check, and check because check can bounce, but draft gives us a confirmation for the payment, and check is prepaid. Check is postpaid, whereas the draft is prepaid.
Very good. What is thermodynamics?
Thermodynamics.
Law third बता दो बस आप.
The third law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of the universe is continuously increasing, and when we talk about the entropy, it describes the randomness in the universe.
Okay. So toluene के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं इसका फॉर्मूला?
Yes, toluene is basically C6H5CH3, which
Okay.
means a methane molecule is attached to benzene.
Okay. You have studied 3 years in your abode itself,
Yes, sir.
right? And which college you have studied?
In DAV College above.
DAV college. So you studied physics, chemistry,
And
okay.
mathematics.
Yes. So आपको नहीं लगा that I should go with MSc also now?
No, sir. Meanwhile, I was pursuing my graduation. I found that this sector has a lot of potential in it, and I can pursue my career in it, and it will secure my future in a better way.
You stated you are watching inspirational stuffs also.
Yes, sir.
So what do you learn from such stuffs?
I think that these inspirational stuff have become they played a very important role in my life, because whenever I feel low in life, they bring my moral up, and I feel very positive watching them.
Okay. So I want to ask you that you have joined PD classes.
Yes, sir.
So before joining PD classes, do you know something about our institute? कुछ जानते थे आप हमारे बारे में?
Yes, sir.
कैसे?
Via YouTube, I watched your videos.
Okay.
And also my friends told me about this institute, and they also observed a lot of change in themselves.
Okay.
And they told me that if you have to crack the interview, that this is one stop solution for that.
Okay. So अब आपका सिर्फ second day है, right?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday only you joined.
Yes.
So how you are feeling?
I am feeling very much confident, and I am sure that if I'll grow at this pace, I
तो
can.
आपको क्या लगता है कि रियल में 7 days इनफ है?
Yes,
Changes
sir.
में?
It is quite enough if you have that enthusiasm in yourself. Then you can do it in 7 days also. But if you don't have that, we can't do it in 1 month even.
वेरी गुड. और चरणजोत हमारे पास उत्तराखंड से आया है. हर मदर इज विद अस. सो मदर ने भी आपका इंटरव्यू मॉर्निंग में भी लिया था और इस समय भी लिया था. मैडम कुछ चेंजेस मिल रहे हैं आपको इनके अंदर?
यस सर.
Okay.
सर काफ़ी चेंजेस लग रहे हैं मुझे.
Okay.
कॉन्फिडेंट बढ़ रहा है.
ओके बिल्कुल बढ़ना चाहिए मैडम, बिकॉज आई वांट हर टू गेट सेलेक्टेड एज बिल्कुल लाइक हर फ्रेंड ओनली. ओके, मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि ये भी जल्दी जल्दी बैंक में जाए. इजंट इट?
Yes, sir.
चलिए मुझे बताइए कि बैंकिंग जॉब आप जानते हैं इज नॉट वेरी इजी जॉब. फिर भी गर्ल्स इस तरफ डाइवर्ट हो रही है. अदर देन दैट टीचिंग जॉब जहाँ पर बहुत छुट्टियाँ भी है, बहुत सा काम कम भी करना पड़ता है, और मुझे लगता है टीचिंग जॉब इज मोर सेफर फॉर द गर्ल्स. पर फिर भी बैंकिंग जॉब की तरफ भी गर्ल्स बहुत जा रही है. तो ऐसा क्यों? टीचिंग जॉब अच्छा नहीं रहा?
Sir, if we talk of the present era, there is no mindset in girls that they have to choose a career in the stream where they feel safe, they have less working hours or so. They are equal to men, and they can also work for 10 hours, 12 hours. They have also that
Very good.
strength.
Such enthusiasm I need in you. Can you go anywhere for the job?
Yes, sure, sir.
So how will you manage?
Sir,
Have you stayed any time outside of
yes,
your home?
sir. I pursued my graduation from DAV College abroad, and I have been there for 3 long years, and that's a long time. So I can easily manage everywhere.
That's great. Madam, any more question from your side, please?
हाँ, प्लीज कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज योर वीकनेस?
My weakness is that I always try to go deep into every topic or every point that I find, and sometimes it's not required, but I like to delve that topic in deep.
Okay, that's good. But I think it is not a major weakness. Like it is good. I think sometimes it is required also when you are going in depth. We can come to know the reality of the thing,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes.
Yes, please. You can have your question, Pratibha.
Can you tell me your strengths?
My strengths are that I'm an optimistic girl, I'm very disciplined in life, and also I'm very enthusiastic.
ओके, हम अपने इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट को भी चांस देंगे जो RIMC का रिटन एग्जाम क्लियर करके हमारे सामने इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहा है.
Yes.
तो इस बच्चे को भी हमें टाइम देना चाहिए. यस, यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन.
No doubt you are very intelligent, but if we select you, what special can you do and can you manage the stress?
Yes, of course I can manage this stress, and I know that what are the things required for this job, and that's why I've chosen this job for my career. And also I can give my 100% in this job. I can work with complete dedication and sincerity, and I will do my full hard work. Moreover, this job requires mathematical calculations, and being a maths graduate, I can easily do such things. So I can do this.
Okay, what is the short term and long term goal of life?
My short term and
Long term.
My goal of life is that I have to secure my whole life by coming in this
Banking sector.
banking sector.
Okay, so even you can state, sir, my short term is to get selected. First of all, this is my short term. I want to get selected in banking sector. I want to be a PO, and definitely remaining 5 years, I want to work here sincerely, honestly, and want to touch every letter of success in a short span of a year. And I believe in 5 years tenure, I want to see myself as a successful officer, manager in banking sector, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that you can be an important Zool of your organization, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Great with the candidate. I hope these many questions are enough.
Yes.
So whatever questions we have asked from you, you have tried your best. Only the volume, presently the pitch of your answering, tone that contain almost 38 marks to your interviews. Getting my point? See, with body language, we are getting 55 marks out of 100. With tone, we are getting 7 and hard 38%. With words, hardly 7%. But most of the time, we are working more upon the words, what we have to speak. Instead of that, if we practice more on our tone,
Yes,
we
sir.
can do better. So I suggest you that you should have some louder tone, because in interview the distance between us may be big. So at that moment also you should prepare for that. Otherwise it's good. You have answered well, isn't it? So best of luck, and you will definitely get selected.
Thank you,
Keep it up.